Hello, John here with another video, and it's another unboxing one. Got this through the post the other day, and as you've seen from a previous video, I bought a SCART converter, SCART to HDMI converter, and the reason I bought that was so I could plug it directly into this, which is HDMI recording box. And what you do, let's hold it up. What you do, put HDMI in there, plug your TV into there, put the power in, connect a USB drive to here, and then when you press that button it records when the light comes on, and when you press it, it stops recording. And it will record everything that's going in. So I should now be able to record directly from the TV without using this camera that has a problem looking at the screen. So, you know, when I show the 64, the poor camera doesn't know how to use it. So what you get is you get the recording box. And then you get some gizmos to go with it. So we get component, YUV component cable, and that means you can plug it into there if you want. Whoops, there if you want. So you don't have to use HDMI input. You can use this, the YP, and its component, and they give you the adapter for that. We get mini HDMI cable and a power cable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the 64 with this through the converter and see if we can record any video. I'll see you in a moment. Right, got the trusted C64C, got my SD to IEC into it. There's the cable running, and it's going to there. It's going to there, and that's converting it into an HDMI signal, and then the HDMI signal is going into there, and as you can see I've put a USB stick in it, a 64GB USB stick, so I should be able to record as much video as I want. And that is not recording at the moment because if you look, the light is green at the side, but that's just passing through to the telly. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the recording, and then I'm going to show you what the camera's showing, and then I will show you what I recorded. Now the box will not record my voice, so what might do is just do a voiceover just to explain. So here we go. I'm going to start the recording. The light's gone red, so it's now recording, and we will load in. Oops, not 8, it's 9. We'll load in Hunchback and have a game of Hunchback. So here we go, going to Faves, going to Hunchback. I'm going to load it. So the recorder should be recording. It's still on red, so it's still recording, and hopefully it's going to record everything that I do. So let's do instructions, space, keyboard, A greater than less than. Here we go. Well, there's no sound coming through, so I'm hoping it's recording the sound. If it isn't, then I've got to find another way of recording the sound. Right, here we go. That's the first one. Oh, I missed it. Right, let's go over that. Got over that. Doing alright this one, aren't I? Last time you was watching me doing this, I failed. So this is the timing one. Over, over, over. Oh, 3 bells. Keep going, John. Keep going. Doing all right. We're doing all right. 4 bells. 4 bells, 4 bells, 4 bells. I wonder if this is one where the arrow comes from behind. Oh, what a memory. Oh, and he dies. Right then. Let's just reset that. Right then. So what I'm going to do, I'll just stop the recording now. There we are, it's flashing. Should turn green. There we are, it's green. And we'll see what I've recorded. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Right then. Some of the eagle-eyed people amongst you will be thinking to yourself, hang on a second, this isn't what we recorded earlier. Well, you are correct. As it turned out, it wasn't recording at all. And what I've done is I have re-recorded what I was doing the first time. And the reason it didn't record was the USB drive was formatted in exFAT, and the recording device doesn't recognize exFAT. It only works in FAT or NTSC. Sorry, NTFS. And so I've had to reformat the USB drive in NTFS. So this time I tried again and re-recorded what I'd done. And as you can hear, there was sound on this one because I'm using the 64G. And it sounds like the sound's gone out of sync on the recording. Well, the picture quality is alright. Not doing very well here, am I? So this is not a bad first attempt at recording. I'm going to have to sort out if there's a sound issue and what we can do about it, but it's recorded it okay, it looks okay, and I'll just have to practice this voiceover thing. Until the next time, have a good one, take care, bye.